Hey, what's up? Hey, listen, gonna try to shoot a real video, guys. Don't know nothing about it. Kind of crazy. The editing sucks, but we're gonna try it today. Maybe we can get some fish to catch, and if we don't get no fish to catch, guess what? You'll never see this video. But heading out, we don't even know where we're going. We're just gonna drive, drop in the first pit we come to, and see what happens. Me, Brian, and Chris are about to row. Hey, go with us. We'll see you in a few. Dude, I'm gonna be honest with you. We could probably almost go right up that canal into that other pit.
Let's do it. Let's try to.
Well, no, I don't think we can. Look, it's solid. Hey, that's where he's got it dammed up right there.
Yeah, that's where Gavin fell in.
No, Gavin fell in back there. If we can ever get some type of stability in this freaking boat. The water. Feel how cold the water is, dude. It is frigid, Brian. I'm just telling y'all, I have zero control over this boat.
It ain't gonna happen in this wind because it's got a foot.
Oh, nice, nice.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at the color on that.
Dude, he slammed it, man. Oh, trusty.
I'll get a picture of this real quick.
Not a bad looking little. I mean, you better hurry up. I'm about to be in the trees.
Yeah.
See you, buddy.
And I'll be honest with you, if we can find out, if we can fish this for a little bit and find out where they're laid up. Dang, I did that. Look, Chuck, see that little lay back over at the
Yep.
line?
Dude, this wind is taking us everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Dang.
All right, let's see what's about to happen here, boys. We might have to come down here and get the boat out. I don't know.
Gotta clean those grass.
Hey, the truth is, this is crazy.